Come and join us as we show you a hidden gem in Florida. Tons of new and old arcade games and lots of delicious food and more. And make sure to check out their website as they have weekly specials. We went on a Wednesday where you got a $10 arcade card and one attraction for $16.
Elev8 in Sanford.
Alright, we've been here before, but we're back to see some, what, if any of the games changed. Some more food.
And we're gonna do bowling.
And that's
We're gonna play some games and have fun. Yeah, we're gonna have a bunch of fun.
So we did find out that with the Wednesday deal, for some reason, the mini golf isn't included. So we ended up switching it up to something else. The last time we came was 6 months ago when this opened, and we did the rope course and the laser tag. So I will link that video below if you want to see the rope course and laser tag. We aren't doing that this time. We're going to do something different. But Elev8 really has a ton of stuff to do, so I feel like it could appeal to all ages. Now, we did eat first because it was dinner time, and they do have a deal where the kids eat free all day Monday through Thursday.
All right, we got the pretzel here. It's huge. My goodness, look at how big that is. It comes with a couple of dipping sauces. And we got cheese curds, freshly made cheese curds. They also look like they're handmade. And so does this does. It looks just like it's a handmade one, I'm guaranteeing. They make all their own stuff here.
What do you think of the cheese curds and the pretzel?
I love the cheese curds and the pretzel. The pretzel's nice and soft, hot.
Yeah, it's like definitely.
The cheese curds are just, I mean, they're just so, they're good.
I love the breading.
Yeah.
There's something on them that's different.
It's good.
Yeah.
They're real good. They're garlicky.
Yeah, garlic. I would definitely recommend this. You can tell, like,
Oh, yeah.
it says homemade.
The food came out, and I have the bacon cheeseburger. It's got jalapenos, onion bits, bacon, lettuce. I think there's some tomato in there, and regular French fries. Buddy boy over here, he got the mac and cheese, of course, but they're actually shells. And Pumpkin got exactly the same thing.
I got the chicken BLT.
That looks wonderful.
Really good, yeah. I don't know what to expect.
Eat it.
Thank you.
Eat
And
it.
it's got
Hey.
chicken, the chicken,
Alright.
tomato, and bacon.
Buddy, that's good.
Okay, that looks really good. Of course, you gotta wait to hear texture. Okay.
It is good. It's really good.
Okay. I'll try yours in a minute.
The barbecue is like spot on. A thick piece of bacon. It's not like
Like a wimpy little transparent.
Panera bread one.
Yeah, transparent piece. So I will say the mac and cheese was really bland this visit. We tried different food last time, but the kids wanted mac and cheese. Now, they were kind enough to give Vanessa a cheeseburger because the burgers are the best here. I was a little disappointed with my chicken BLT because the chicken was really rubbery. I still ate it, but I really did want more of Rick's burger. I think the burgers are where it's at.
The balls are the same as the billiards balls, like pool table balls.
That's pretty cute. They got
Solids and
bowling,
stripes.
and
Cool.
they got the little shoes here with, I'm guessing, some little socks. We'll see. We are going to do bumpers for the kids. We finally got the bowling, and it asked us what game we want to play. So I guess we're doing bubblegum, like the one on the screen. There we are.
All right, Pumpkin, it says, Vanessa, you're first.
Me?
You know how?
It's been a while. Good job.
Go, Pumpkin, go!
I got nothing.
Oh, hold on. Oh, wow. Good job. Good job.
Go ahead. No.
There you go.
Yeah,
That's
like
good.
that.
Who gets We don't bowl enough. And our favorite bowling is Wii bowling. See if we can get this. See if Chef Rick can pick it up. And so close, so close. You won. Good job, Pumpkin. Yeah. You did win.
Where's my prize?
Here, yeah, high five. We got 250 credits.
How wonderful!
And Buddy Boy has been dying to do this virtual rabbits. This is his favorite, 20 credits. He's been asking and asking and asking, especially since the other place. This is always fun. This upstairs here, they have the prizes. And upstairs is more newer games, and the old school is downstairs. Okay, so they have Space Invaders over here, a big Pac-Man, Transformers, Walking Dead, some basketball games, and downstairs are like the old school Simpsons, Donkey Kong, Pac-Man, and laser tag and go-karts. See if Vanessa
I
can
don't know
do.
what I'm gonna get, so I'll just
They
drop.
may not get anything.
Oh!
Oh,
I'll put the candy in my pocket.
Thanks, mean business.
reminds me of like Toy Story. Mania. 20 tickets. Back here they have all of these. I don't know what this is. All in mega bonus. Down the clown bonus. Goldfish, ring toss, dizzy chicken. Find the green light. That's where you want the ball to land. Connect 4, Lane Master, Wheel of Fortune, Slam Winner. We played this one last time. It was kind of terrible. And they have the Omni area. Some more of the bowling, hoops. Tower of tickets. We have the Kong, VR, Halo, and that one. And on the other side they have more. Got a little section over here too. The mall might be closed, so maybe that's why it's blocked off. That's where we were bowling over there. I got a Pac-Man 4-player, Walking Dead, Tomb Raider, the Crash Cruise and Blast Crazy Tower. That's my boy. We have Star Wars Battle Pod, Rotho's Bikes, Time Crisis, Space Invaders, Terminator, another Dino one that Buddy likes, Tomb Raider, Time Crisis, Aliens. I don't know what this one is. Don't play. So this is all on the second floor. First floor we'll show here coming up with the classic games. And then the racing ones, a bunch of racing, and Batman. I guess we're not the same one. Of course, the kids loved anything VR. This one is, I think, 20 credits. Usually the VR ones are the most credits, but otherwise they are pretty reasonable. Even the downstairs, the old school arcade games are only about 2 credits each. So if you have 200 credits, you can play for a long time. Now, if you love arcades, then check out our top 6 arcades in Florida. Of course, this is one of them, but there's 5 others that are a lot of fun to visit in Florida. What I like about Elev8 is that it also has the ropes course, it has old and new games, laser tag, go-karts and mini golf, and bowling. So there is a lot of activities besides just games. In our last vlog here at Elev8, we do show all the prizes that they have, but right now we're gonna head downstairs because it was almost closing time. We wanted to do the mini golf, but unfortunately that wasn't with the Wednesday deal, so we'll have to come back. But as you can see, at around 9 o'clock at night, there's barely anyone here. You have basically the arcade to yourself. At least on a weekday. Now, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays could be busier. Ultimate Arcade, that was there before. Track and Field, Captain America, Pac-Man, Galaga, WrestleMania. It feels like there was more last time. Robotron, NBA Blitz, Simpsons, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Ghosts and Goblins, Multi-Cade, Mario Brothers, another Multi-Cade, Robotron, Mortal Kombat 4. So this down here is the old school. I had a few more down here. I wonder if some of the machines had issues. Looks a little bit emptier than what it was before. Marvel vs. Capcom over here, and Space Invaders. Over there's the laser tag we did last time. I know Rick's gonna like track and field over there too. And as we head out, I'll show you this mini golf really quickly. They said it's a digital mini golf, so it sounds interesting. It's right next to the arcade and the go-karts. It seems like a neat idea, and I'm sure the kids would love it. One of these days we'll come back and do this. I mean, it looks fine, it looks different. Looks like you put in here and it goes in this like pinball machine. And then you put in here and it goes into, I guess, one of these. They have different screens and stuff. Looks like different color points. And a windmill. It's a cute little area. Look how fast they're going. You have to be older than me. Let's see. Oh, it's fun. They're going up the hill, and then look. And this is the ropes course we showed last time. My daughter, of course, got scared once she got up there, but she wants to do it again. So we may do that closer to her birthday, but they have a bunch of little things you can climb on and a zip line. We still have arcade credits, and we'll be back to pick out some prizes for the kids, so follow us on Instagram if you want to see what prizes we get. And a big shout out to Maddie and Lachey for helping support our channel on Patreon. I will link that down below. Any support helps keep us doing what we're doing and what we love.
Stay up, like and subscribe for more videos, and subscribe. And subscribe.